Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through everything you need to have on hand and know in advance for a smooth installation of the Vaporstream electric-to-steam humidifier. Let's start with the tools and supplies you will need. Basic hand tools, open end and box wrenches, a drill with driver bits, mounting hardware, field-supplied piping, field-supplied wiring, control screwdrivers for landing control wiring on the VaporLogic controller board, VaporLogic IOM, and of course, the Vaporstream IOM. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be working with during installation. Power requirements and field wiring, as depicted in the IOM and wiring diagram. The wiring diagram is supplied with the humidifier, but it's a good idea to bring one, as the supplied one might not be easy to find on site. Your DrySteam rep can email you the wiring diagram. Proper grounding and an approved earth ground are provided by others. Supply water and drain pipings depicted in the IOM. Fill valve supply water connection for tap, softened, RO, or DI water. Steam hose, tubing, or piping to dispersion. Demand signal, transmitter, humidistat, VDC, milliamps, or backnet control and monitoring. Airflow proving switch. Duct high limit. And the installation may be multi-tank units or standalone humidifiers. Before you head out to the installation site, here are some things you should verify. Floor space for the unit is clear with clearances as shown in the IOM. Power, water, and drain connection points have been installed and are operational. That you have a USB stick with the current controller firmware version. That you have an Ethernet cable and a laptop in case you need a direct connection to the VaporLogic control board. Installation of the Vaporstream humidifier will take about 8 to 12 hours if everything at the worksite is ready to go. Once installed, startup time may vary depending on the application and system size. Do not leave the humidifier unattended during the initial startup procedure. Now you have all the information you need to properly prepare for a smooth installation of the Vaporstream humidifier. Taking time to plan and check ahead of installation day will save time in the field and prevent unnecessary return trips.